My name is Mario. I'm from Florida Hotrods. I'm the owner of Florida Hotrods. We have here a 53 Chevy Belair that I built about a year or so ago. This car is a Cali car. It was built here in Florida. We did a Mustang 2 air ride suspension, Acura CVT tank. It's got an LS3 09 vet motor with a 40870, full AC. We shaved the full firewall on the car, cleaned up the whole engine bay, shaved it all up, painted it. We did headers, full exhaust, 3-inch exhaust, wheelwood brakes all around. We shortened the rear end to put the mob steels on the rear. Interior was done by SC Customs here in Miami. It's got a Dakota digital dash. Full music system.
Acura suspension, no? E-level?
Yeah, E-level. That's pretty much it. The car came from Cali pretty much clean, really clean car.
It's a beautiful car. And you also have your car here.
My car is the 41 Chevy, right behind it.
I know we have filmed it before, but for those of you guys that are new to the channel and we haven't seen Mario's car, it's a 49 Chevy?
41.
41 Chevy?
41 Chevy coupe.
What have you done to this one?
This one has all leather interior done from Rivero Interiors here in Miami. It's got an LS motor in it, full air ride suspension, Acura, and also AC system.
Nice. And this one, to open the hood, you gotta get on the fender.
Yeah, it's kind of something hidden that I did to not have it in the car.
Very nice. This LS engine came out of what?
2005 Suburban.
Suburban.
Yeah. This one is all original as well, just with a tune. Motor's pretty much stock. I didn't do anything to the motor.
Yeah, very nice, man, very nice. So guys, there you have it. If you wanna contact Mario, what's your phone number or your Instagram
My Instagram
account?
is Florida Hotrods, at Florida Hotrods. I have the YouTube channel. I have the Facebook as well, Florida Hotrods. And
Nice.
you can also find me on Google through Florida Hotrods, FLAHotrods.com.
There you have it, guys. So contact Mario for any needs that you have on your old school cars.